our learning target says, I can identify true equations. We now will be looking at an equation where on one side, there are two numbers you need to add first, and the other side, there's a number it should equal. Please watch closely. So I'm going to think, well, what's 1 plus 5? If I wasn't sure, I could use cubes to solve it, but I do know that 1 plus 5 is 6. So now I'm going to look, is 6 the same as 6? Yeah, 6 is the same as 6. So then I could circle that this one is true. Let's take a look at this one. Again, 4 plus 3. If I wasn't sure what 4 plus 3 was, I could use my cubes. For this one, I will just to model it for you. So I would take 4 and 3 more. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I need to compare that to 9. So then over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I can compare those two and decide, is that the same? So again, 4 plus 3 equals 7. What do you think? Is it the same? It's not. 7 is not equal to 9. 7 is not the same as 9. We'll cross that off. Here's our next one, 4 plus 1. So again, in my head, I'm going to think, what's 4 plus 1? 5. I'm going to write a 5 below so I don't forget. 5 equals 7. Is that true? No, it's not true. 5 is not the same as 7. So what should I do? Put a cross through it. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, so again, if I wasn't sure, I could use my cubes to help me count it. For this one, again, I'll model it that way for us. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to add 3 more to it. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 below it so I don't forget. So then 9 equals 9. Now, if you're not sure, again, you could compare it with your cubes. Is it the same? Yeah, 9 is the same as 9. So 9 does equal 9. This is true. We will circle it. I want to point out that you have seen equations like this before. Your number sentences that you write for addition have always been also called equations. Now it's your turn. I want you to try on your own to answer these. I will help along the way and give you the correct answer. Let's go ahead and have you try the first one. So I want you to think, what's 2 plus 5? If you want, you could show me with your fingers. 2 plus 5 is 7. I'm going to write a 7 below here. Then I want you to think about it. Is 7 the same as 8? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Seven isn't the same as 8. I'm going to cross that one off. Let's take a look at our next one. 4 plus 5. Again, you think about it. You can show me if you want with your fingers what it is. Four plus 5 is 9. I'm going to write the 9 down. And now you think about it. 9 equals 9. True equation or not? It is a true equation. 9 is the same as 9. I will circle. 4 plus 3. Go ahead and solve that part first. What is that? It's 7. So what does 7 equal 7? You decide. Is that a true equation? If it is, give me a thumbs up. If it's not, thumbs down. It is a true equation. I will circle it. Last one, 2 plus 6. It's 8. Does 8 equal 9? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah, it's not true. We'll cross it off. You're going to be doing the exact same type of thing on your math sheet today. Let's take a look. Again, I can identify true number equations. We're getting really good at it. Here it says circle either true or false for each equation, remembering that true means it's correct, while false means it's wrong. So here we have 4 plus 8 equals 8. I would like for you to show your work, even if you know how, if it's true or not. I like for you to show your thinking. So tell me, below 4 plus 4, what is it? Well, it's 8. So then you can think 8 equals 8. Is that true or false? You would then circle true. I want you to show your thinking underneath the plus sign. It will come in handy as we get farther and farther into our lessons. Our next direction says circle all of the true equations. Again, you can circle the ones that are true and cross off the ones that are false. I want to take a look at this first one here. So it says 7 plus 3. So I might need to figure out what 7 plus 3 is with cubes. I already know that it's 10. So then I think, is 10 the same as 10? Yeah, it is. So I could circle this one. I'm going to do one more down here. When it says 7 plus 2. Again, I might need to figure that out. But I actually know that 7 plus 2 is 9. So is 9 equal to 10? So I want you to cross it off. The last part says write true number equations. Really, you just have to write addition number sentences, and you're pros at that. So just think of an addition number sentence that you want to write. Maybe you want to say 1 plus 1 equals, go ahead and tell me, 2. Yeah, and so really you just need to think what's an addition number sentence that you could write. And you want to check, though, that it's true. So you could even double check with your cubes. 1 plus 1 is 2. Good luck on your practice sheet. You'll do wonderful.